Derrick and Debbie! Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Derrick wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Debbie wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Papa Dragon wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Mama Dragon wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All of us want to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Hi, I'm Derrick. Hi, I'm Debbie. Let's learn numbers in the way we will never forget. Let's draw number one. Let's draw number one. Let's see what we can draw with number one. A lovely boat that sails so fast. It is so easy. Drawing is so much fun. Let's draw number two. Let's draw number two. Let's see what we can draw with number two. Two yellow ducks that say quack quack. Watch them swim. We can draw two ducks. Let's draw number three. Let's draw number three. Let's see what we can draw with number three. A butterfly in the sky. It looks so pretty. I can draw a butterfly. Let's draw number four. Let's draw number four. Let's see what we can draw with number four. For baby sharks, they swim so fast, making bubbles, jumping up and down. Let's draw number five. Let's draw number five. Let's see what we can draw with number five. Some lovely apples. They are so red. They are so tasty, juicy, yummy in my tummy. We learn numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay!
Simple Simon met a pieman going to the fair. Said Simple Simon to the pieman, let me taste your ware. Said the pieman to Simple Simon, show me first your penny. Said Simple Simon to the pieman, sir, I have not any. Simple Simon went a-fishing for to catch a whale. All the water he had got was in his mother's pail. He went for water in a sieve, but soon it all fell through. And now poor Simple Simon bids you all adieu. Derrick and Debbie!
$410. There are the four bids. The actual retail price is the...
Huh? Hi! Wow! Yummy! Cupcakes! No.
This is the way we have a bath. Wash, wash, wash and have a bath. This is the way we have a bath to keep ourselves clean. This is the way we have a bath. Wash, wash, wash and have a bath. This is the way we scrub, scrub, scrub with the soap in the tub. This is the way we scrub, scrub, scrub to keep ourselves clean. To keep ourselves clean. This is the way we rinse ourselves. Rinse with water, wash ourselves. This is the way we rinse ourselves to keep ourselves clean. This is the way we wipe ourselves with a towel. Wipe is dry. This is the way we wipe ourselves to keep ourselves clean.
Yes!
$410. There are the four bids. The actual